All right, so we're starting to get some flowers back on our peppers. And so what we want to do is make sure we don't have any blossom end rot. So I'm going to show you easy ways to prevent blossom end rot for your container plants. And we're going to start right now. What's going on, YouTube gardeners? This your boy Sydney from the Nakid Gardener channel. In this video we're going to show you two simple home products that you can use to prevent blossom end rot. The simple product right now you can use, that you probably already have in your house, is some Tums. Another item that you can use that you probably have in your household are eggs. All you have to do is just crush them up in the fine as possible that you can use, whether you have a grinder, a food processor, or even one of these mortar bends things. And so you want to crush them up as fine as possible to get the most surface area covered, so when you put them into your containers it helps decompose a lot faster. So now this is what you want to do is a slower reactant to get the calcium into your soil containers. This one is what you're going to use as a foliage spray. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these tablets, and the reason why you want to add calcium in there, because that's one of the reasons why you are getting some blossom end rot on your tomatoes, your squash, your melons, or your peppers, is because either one of your watering issues, whether you're watering too much or too little, and then also if you don't have enough calcium into your container soil. Now we also did a video, I put a card above here, of testing your pH in your soil, because if you don't have the right pH for a particular plant, it's also going to be hard for that plant to take up those nutrients. So we're going to add some calcium in here by crushing up one of these tablets, and then we're going to add it to a gallon of water, and then we're going to shake it up, and then we're going to put it into our little sprayer here, and then from there we're just going to spray it on our foliage of all the plants while we're adding this into the soil, mixing it into the soil. All right, so we're underneath here. We're just gonna do a slight handful. Doesn't have to be a lot. Your container doesn't need a whole lot of calcium. Plus this is slow releasing. So this is something that not gonna have, the plants aren't gonna be able to take it up completely right now until it breaks down. So we just put probably like a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons. All right, now we're going to add the do the foliage spray. Shake it up, and you want to pump it and get you a nice pressure in there, and shake it up as you go into each plant. So as you can see, it's very easy to add some small amount of calcium, where you don't have to go out to the big box stores and either get some lime or gypsum or anything of that nature to add into your soil. Probably some stuff that you already have in the house, so you don't have to spend any type of money whatsoever. Now later on, I will probably show you how to do a lime or gypsum slurry where you can add into your container soil. If y'all are interested, just comment down below. If you like these type of videos, I'm put a playlist right above here, so that way you can look and see some of our garden tips. But until the next video, let's grow together.